Hello everyone, so today let's talk about polynomials. So this topic can also be found in your module 3. But first, let's define polynomial. So polynomial is a kind of algebraic expression. So when we talk about algebraic expression, it's a combination of a letter or a number where each term is a constant. When we talk about constant, it's a number on its own. A variable is any letter from our English alphabet, or a product of a constant and variable in which the variable has a whole number non-negative exponent, meaning imuhang exponent is positive. A polynomial can be a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or multinomial. So later we'll know what is monomial, binomial, trinomial, or multinomial. So remember, an algebraic expression is not a polynomial if the exponent of the variable is not a whole number and the variable is inside the radical sign. The variable is in denominator. So, dili siya algebraic expression ang polynomial if kani siya nga mga condition iyahang ma-meet. So, bear in mind that an algebraic expression is not a polynomial if the exponent of a variable is not a whole number, the variable is inside the radical sign, and the variable is in the denominator. So kinds of polynomial according to the number of terms. So monomial is a polynomial with only one term. Example, x for x squared 6m. So these are the example of monomial, meaning only one term lang siya. Binomial is a polynomial with two terms. For example, x plus 2. So this is our first term or second term. What else? 4x minus 1, 6m plus 2. Trinomial is a polynomial with three terms. So we have here 4x squared, 16y plus 16z. So it composed of three terms. The first one, the second one, and the third term. Meaning trinomial is a polynomial with three terms. Polynomial is a polynomial with four or more terms. So we have here the example 4x raised to 4 plus 8y raised to 2 minus 16z plus 16. So this is the example of polynomial, but it can also more terms to be represented. So, kinds of polynomial according to its degree. So, kanina, kind of polynomial according to its term. So, this time, according to its degree. So, we have here a constant, a polynomial of degree 0. For example, 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. So, the constant here is 16. So, linear, a polynomial of degree 1. So, for example, 2x raised to 1 plus 1. Or, sabi ko nung previous lesson natin, kapag may degree siya nga 1 or may exponent siya nga 1, hindi natin siya isulat nga 1. So, you can write it like this. 2x plus 1. So, dili na natin isulat ang 1 kapag ang exponent 1. So, pwede na siya 2x plus 1. So, instead writing this expression, you can write it like this, 2x plus 1. Meaning, si x na siya exponent of 1. So, ang pasabot na linear, a polynomial of degree 1. So, quadratic, a polynomial of degree 2. So, we have here 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Meaning, kapag quadratic, ang degree kay 2. So, ang exponent 2. Kapag quadratic, exponent 2. Cubic, a polynomial of degree 3. Meaning, ang exponent natin is 3. So, 3x cubed plus 2x plus x minus 1. Kapag cubic, ang degree natin kay 3. Quartic, a polynomial of degree of 4. So, ang ating exponent, meaning highest degree exponent natin is 4. Pinakadako nga exponent, meaning quartic, a polynomial of degree 4. So, quartic ang tawag nito dahil the highest exponent is 4. Quintic, a polynomial of degree 5. So, meaning the highest exponent is 5. So remember, a polynomial is in standard form if its term are arranged from the term with the highest degree up to the term with the lowest degree. For example, this one, so it is arranged in from highest degree, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a constant. So this is the standard form of a polynomial, meaning naka-arrange siya from highest degree down to the lowest degree. So we have here, pag 3x, example, 3x cubed plus 3x to the power of 2 or 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. So 3x cubed is our leading term. So 3x cubed, remember, kani si first term nato, diba? First term, ang tawag ani niya is our leading term, meaning siya ang nag-una nga term. So 3x cubed is our leading term. 3 is our leading coefficient. So kaning 3 is our numerical coefficient, meaning siya ato ang leading coefficient. And so 3 is our degree of polynomial. So remember that one. C3x cubed is our leading term. C3 is our leading coefficient. C3 is our degree of polynomial, meaning degree of 3. So, natas na cubic ato ang polynomial. And C1, of course, are constant. So, example, complete the table. We have here the algebraic expression. So, the term 4x5, so the term is 4x5. So, the numerical coefficient 4. The literal coefficient, we have x fifth. The variables na ginamit natin is x. Ang constant, wala man siya yung number on its own, so none. From this example, m squared plus 6m minus 19. So, anong mga terms? Ansang mga terms here? We have the third, tulumanika terms. So, we have m squared, 6m, and negative 19. So, the numerical coefficient, we have 6 and negative 19. And the literal coefficient, we have m, mon ang variable natin gigamit, or the literal coefficient. As well as here, our variable is m. Constant natin is negative 19. So example, complete the table. So we have here the given 3 minus 4x plus 7 squared. A polynomial or not? Yes, a polynomial because our exponent here is positive. Positive 2. So leading term, 7x squared. Kaya siya man ang na highest degree of polynomial. The leading coefficient is 7. The degree is 2, and kind of polynomial is trinomial because it composed of 3 terms. So what kind of polynomial according to the degree? Quadratic because the degree is 2. So the standard form, until the standard form, we have to arrange it from the highest degree down to the lowest degree. So we have here the 7x squared minus 4x plus 3. How about this example? 5x negative 1 minus 3x minus 6. A polynomial or not? Of course, not a polynomial because according to our previous topic, an algebraic expression is not a polynomial kapag negative ang iyahang exponent. Always remember, the polynomial kapag positive, dili polynomial kapag negative ang exponent. So, always dapat positive ang exponent para matawag natin siya nga polynomial. Okay, that's done. So, let us practice. So, I want you to complete this table and comment your answer below. So, that's all for this topic, and I hope you learned something for this lesson. And I want you to participate and answer this table. It's a evaluation if you really understand our topic in our module. So complete this table and comment your answer below. That's all. Thank you and may God bless you.